Hello everyone, welcome in this video lecture. Today we are going to see the chemical reactions of phenol. In the previous lecture, some lectures we have seen what is meant by phenol, classification of phenol, acidic character of phenol, and preparation methods of phenol. Phenols are prepared by the three well-known methods, that is Dawes process, Raschig process, and from cumene by cumene hydroperoxide or by oxidation. This method prepared from phenol from cumene is a most commercial method. Now in this lecture we are going to see the chemical reactions of phenol. Phenol is the hydroxyl derivative of aromatic compound. Therefore, this phenol mostly gives the reactions of aromatic compound. The electrophilic aromatic substitution is the characteristics reactions of the aromatic compound. In phenol, the reaction that takes place on the aromatic ring are the electrophilic substitution reaction. The OH group that is attached to the benzene ring activates it towards the electrophilic substitution. Also, it directs the incoming group to ortho and para position in the ring, as these positions become electron rich due to the resonance effect caused by the OH group. म्हणजे फिनॉल मध्ये जो काही OH ग्रुप असतो त्या OH च्या ऑक्सिजनवर दोन लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात, म्हणून हा OH ग्रुप हा इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप म्हणून ऍक्ट होतो. म्हणून एरोमॅटिक रिंगची the lone pair of electron which are present on the oxygen atom of OH group donates or gives to the aromatic ring. Therefore, electron density of the aromatic ring increases at the ortho and para position. Therefore, incoming electrophile will be preferentially attacked at the ortho and para position. It gives ortho para substituted product. The resonance structures are shown under the acidity of phenols. Common electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions taking place in phenols are Riemer-Tiemann reaction, nitration reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, Fries reaction, etc. Now first one is the Riemer-Tiemann reaction. This is nothing but the formylation of phenol at the ortho-para position, and which will give the salicylaldehyde or ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde as a major product. In this Riemer-Tiemann reaction, when phenol is react with the chloroform, that is CHCl3 in aqueous NaOH solution via the formation of dichlorocarbene as an electrophile. When this phenol on reaction with chloroform in aqueous sodium hydroxide solution followed by acid catalyzed hydrolysis gives salicylaldehyde as a product. This reaction is known as Riemer-Tiemann reaction. This reaction is nothing but all the reaction is result in the formylation. Formylation म्हणजे काय? Replacement of hydrogen atom by CHO group by fermyl group is called as formylation. This Riemer-Tiemann reaction is a formylation reaction. See, in this reaction, when this phenol reacts with chloroform in aqueous NaOH, it gives firstly this sodium phenoxide adduct, which on hydrolysis gives the 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, also called as salicylic. This reaction is proceed by the following mechanism involving the three steps. First step is the formation of electrophile. When CHCl3 chloroform react with the strong base NaOH, this strong base NaOH abstract proton from the chloroform to form unstable CHCl3 minus, which is unstable. Then this liberate or Cl minus ion to form more stable dichlorocarbene. हे सुरुवातीला NaOH जो स्ट्रॉंग बेस आहे NaOH चे रिएक्शन क्लोरोफॉर्म सोबत होईल आणि हा जो प्रोटॉन आहे इथला प्रोटॉन घेईल आणि इथून तयार होईल ट्रायक्लोरो कार्बेनियम. हा अनस्टेबल असेल आणि नंतर इथं Cl मायनस रिलीज होईल आणि यापासून तयार होईल डायक्लोरोकार्बीन. हा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशियंट आहे. जेव्हा एखाद्या स्पेसिसच्या बाह्यतम कक्षेमध्ये किंवा आउटर ऑर्बिटलमध्ये 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात तेव्हा ते स्टेबल असतो आणि 8 पेक्षा कमी असतील तर ते इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशियंट असतो. इथं 2 इथले 2 4 आणि हे 2 6 इथं 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत म्हणून हे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशियंट आहे. म्हणून हा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल म्हणून एरोमॅटिक रिंग वरती अटॅक करू शकतो. इन डायक्लोरोकार्बीन carbon having only 6 electron, hence it acts as a electron deficient species, that is electrophile. In step second, electrophilic attack of dichlorocarbene forms the dihalide. This phenol on reaction with NaOH, it gives sodium phenoxide, which on reaction with this electron deficient dichlorocarbene as an electrophile, it gives this side. This is a intermediate phenoxide ion. In last third step, dihalide which is formed on hydrolysis, it forms the salicylic. हा जो काही आहे तर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज हा डिलोकलाइज होतो इथं आणि हा जो बेस आहे इथं अटॅक केल्याच्या नंतर OH मायनस आयन इथला Cl मायनस आयन निघून जातो आणि इथला OH चा प्रोटॉन हा ऑक्साइड आयन फिनॉक्साइड आयनचा ऑक्सिजन घेतो आणि तिथून तयार होतं सॅलिसाल्डिहाइड. इथं जे काही आपण क्लोरोफॉर्म आणि NaOH घेतो त्या CHCl3 च्या ठिकाणी जर आपण कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड CCl4 घेतलं तर आपल्याला सॅलिसाल्डिहाइड ऐवजी इथं आपल्याला CHO ऐवजी COOH म्हणजे सॅलिसालिक ऍसिड असं मिळतो. इफ वी टेक CCl4 in place of CHCl3 we will get the salicylic acid. this one हे रिएक्शन आहे. आपण क्लोरोफॉर्मच्या ठिकाणी जर कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड घेतलं तर आपल्याला सॅलिसिलिक ऍसिड हे इथून तयार होईल. तर नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये पाहू. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.